Assalamu alaikum. This is fire alarm Siemens use software for the fire alarm. So today we are learn how to add a device to the DLC card. This is DLC card. Right click on this one, insert. After that, which device you need, you can take from here. Suppose I need HCP, so HCP is here. After that, if you need to move device same like that, same right click on this one and copy, then paste in the special paste tag. How many you need? I need 4 pieces total. So you can see there is 4 HCP is come just like from 1 to 4. After that, I need as per project interface. Same you can insert, then take interface HTRID. Again I need another interface, same like that, insert and take HTRID. I need smoke detector. So this is smoke detector. You can see this is OP. Take from here. I need just like manual call point. Insert. Then come here. This is manual call point. Like that you can all add the devices to the DLC. In the next video I can show you how to make program and custom text for the loop.